this is the exhaust I got off of Amazon. It is a Akrapovic exhaust replica. It's got the little exhaust. It's nothing like the Honda. It's way smaller, but this is actually functional. Kind of, you can see my finger through the hole. Anyhow, I can't remember how long this is. Maybe a 12-inch, 14-inch. So it comes with this adapter. This slides into here. I think it was, I'm just going to take a guess. I think this was 52 to a 32, maybe. Slides in there. That would usually slide over a normal exhaust. That's like 1.5 inches big in outer diameter. But obviously this is a 196cc motor to a 212. Same stage 2 kit fits both motors is the reason why I'm saying that. I think this is 1 inch big. So what you would do is order this little adapter here off the internet. I'll let you look at the dimensions here. Adapter 1.5 inch inner diameter, 1.25 outer diameter. So this right here, this goes in here. This would fit over it like this, and you would weld around it, and this would fit over this exhaust. You'd have some gap there, but you got to weld it, but it would look pretty good. See that? Maybe even cut it down a little bit. All right, so let's get started. It is 35 millimeters. This is a 39 in diameter.
To say the least, so far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. I'm only one step from dying. Just keep it at bay. Can't blame the people.
Usually I wanted the exhaust to be down here with this adapter the same length so it wouldn't go past the bar. So if I cut this halfway, I think it should work. So if I weld it here, but if I originally wanted it here, if I cut it there, we might be working with something.
Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find.
Alright, here's the exhaust. It's been primed and painted. Looks like crap still. Good enough for a mini bike. Hopefully the heat wrap, well, I can actually, it'll come and cover to where the springs are. But I'm installing on the bike, and I'm actually let you hear the difference between the open header and the exhaust in real time. So I'm actually just let you hear it like this, and then I'm gonna slip the exhaust on the end while it's running, so you can get an accurate change in the exhaust level. Alright, so got the header pipe on. Looks pretty straight. It's away from the frame pretty good. I'm going to install a bracket later here. I don't know if I have to weld one or get some type of aluminum and bend it, but I'm going to go ahead and start it. Let you hear the difference. I might not be able to get the exhaust on fast enough, The paint's still wet. And I haven't crunk it, so I can't remember which is choke. Alright, so it's actually a little bit louder now that it has that megaphone at the end of it, believe it or not. This is what it was. Alright, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to let you hear the difference. Sounds amazing. Man, it took off all the paint, but whatever. Oh, it sounds so good now. Alright, I'm going to slip it off. There's your sound difference. It is worth the work. I mean, you can actually get on Amazon and buy one, I think, that has like 20 something millimeter to fit the stage 2 header pipe. But I really like the way these look, and they're interchangeable. I can literally take the one off of the Honda Rancher and put on the mini bike. So there it is. So I did the stage 2 mod, and I did the governor bypass. I didn't remove the governor gear, so it's probably revving around 5,000 RPM, and I still haven't installed the 18-pound valve spring. So if I blow the motor, I'll just put the Predator 212 Hemi. All right, from a dead stop. She's still loud, but it sounds so good though.